So I'm guessing that fire's not going to go out now, right?
No.
Go out, right?
No, hell no. No, that couch is on fire now, so we're in for it.
Left it right in the morning.
My glasses are getting covered, man.
Yeah, I know. Your hoodie's getting covered.
Bye-bye, couch. Couch.
I can see right through
Here,
it
look.
now.
Cars going down the road.
I can see right through it now. It's melting.
Yeah, no duh.
I thought the couch was melting for a second.
Look, it's going inside now. It's gonna come out from outside.
Look, the couch
I mean,
is melting.
Inside of it.
The couch is melting. Is that? Oh,
Whoa!
What is that?
I think that was a stick.
my stick.
Get out of my way. You're. I think we're creating wind.
Yo, metal! Oh my god.
That thing's going
Spring.
to go out before we know it.
Oh yeah.
It's gone. It's the only thing going to be left.
Couches are the most dangerous things in house fires because they create a flash fire so hot, and that's pretty much, they get so hot, that's what set your walls on fire, and it's over from there. Mattresses and couches. We proved the couch theory by taking a couch in another burn pit. We sat a lit cigarette on it and walked away. 15 minutes later, that shit was engulfed in flames.
Michael.
Bye bye. It's a house fire for Michael. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that fire's creating enough light.
Enough heat. I'm fucking warm now. Oh yeah. Michael's not burning on there. There he goes. Michael.
Bye, Michael Jackson.
Pedophile.
Hope you had fun. With Brianna, you know what?
It is no disrespect to say that a dead man is dead.
Yo, look at that fire. Holy shit.
Fire!
Wow.
Something pop.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Off with
Man
the
down.
Man down, man dead. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Get the ambulance over here.
My god.
Woo! Now
Bye,
you see
Michael.
what happens when your couch catches on fire in your house, right? You see why house fires go up so quick?
Michael's dead. I can see through the couch.
Yo, Vic, come here, look at this. Look. The fucking aliens are beaming down on this. They're recording it too. Woo!
Whoa, look at all the hot stuff.
Thank God it's snowing out. I think my beer's getting warm over there.
That might pop.
It's raining out now.
That's gonna be over.
These are twist off, right?
Yeah.
Damn, that was a hard ass.
Yeah, every once in a while you get a tough one. I'm going to brave getting my beer.
You better hold your breath.
Actually, we'll take the other way. As long as I don't.
What do you do if you catch on fire?
Fucking throw snowballs at them.
Oh, Cam, don't go start fire.
No, you got anything else you gotta throw on there that you have to burn?
Not really.
Can throw a snowball at it? Can I?
I don't care.
Stop. Oh, please.
Where's Fire Marshal Bill when we need him? The only thing left is the lonely cushion over here.
Yeah, why
That's gonna be going up any second now.
It's already flaming on this side.
Yeah, I was gonna say you might want to push that down in the pit a little bit, because the wind lifts that up. We're in trouble. Hey, I can't. Yeah, I reckon I like them French fried taters. Mm-hmm.
Damn, that was a waste. This shit's already over.
Oh yeah. Yeah. See how quick the material goes up, but the wood does nothing.
Yeah, it doesn't even burn.
Yeah. Now it'll burn. And then I'll be out here over the week, fucking pulling all the metal springs out of there.
You have a shovel? Where's your shovel? Your
It's over
metal.
there.
I have no idea.
I know.
I'll
Yeah.
go get it.
I don't see it anywhere.
Over here. Doing our part for global warming. I wonder how all the animals feel about this.
That's good.
What animals? You mean the ones that are hibernating because it's snowing out?
I mean the ones that aren't hibernating. Like the birds.
Trust me, I'm pretty sure all the birds are in their nest staying warm right now.
Holy.
You ain't breaking that yet.
Yet. Never say never.
It's funny, the hand that's holding the camera is frozen, the hand holding the beer is warm. Maybe I should switch hands. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fire.
So warm. Gotta get the backside now.
I don't want to get so open.
I hate white rabbits. I hate white rabbits.
I love Dead Michael. I love Dead Michael because he's dead.
It's burning. I think it's 'cause
It is over here.
I think the snow's putting it out on this side.
You got, right there is the deepest pocket of the fire pit. That's why it's staying going over here. It'll eventually all go.
What? What? No came off?
There goes the cushion. Yes, that is somebody driving 20 miles an hour down the road. 'Cause it is snowing out.
Somebody crashes.
Yo, if somebody crashed right now and I got it on video, I'd be a superstar. There you go.
That's what I'm gonna break yet.
And to think next weekend, get to do it all over again. The New Year's Eve fire at the Dutch family Wogans' house.
I can imagine that again.
Poof! Yeah, I was gonna say, if you can get the majority of that wood over that foam that's about to go up, man, you're gonna be golden.
Yeah, I don't know.
Now it's time to be close to my stick.
Watch those sparks.
I know about the sparks. The sparks.
Wow. They must have all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Found nails.
Whoa!
And we're good.
We're getting there. If you can get, yeah, that bottom part is off, right? You should be able to roll that right over now. Jacob, why do you insist on standing in front of the camera?
Look at that stuff turning blue.
There you go, drag that bitch.
Kevin, I don't.
Yeah, I got, here. Oh,
Dun, 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 dun.
fuck tickle these nuts, man. Your new fucking tag is going to be Fire Master. Oh, beautiful. You couldn't ask for anything more. Let her go. Up in flames. And look, the hotter the fire gets, the more the wind kicks up. Listen, do you know about the rule on spray paint cans?
Blows up
What's inside of a spray paint can?
the ball.
What happens to that ball when the spray paint can? Huh?
Blows out.
Yeah, it blows out. You ever seen what damage they do?
Yeah.
I remember doing one in my hometown in Westbrookville. When that thing came out of the spray paint can, it went through the driver's side door of a brand new car and sunk into the passenger side on the other side. Right through it. And I had to sit there and explain to the guy, sorry, I didn't really mean for that to happen. And thank God he was a nice guy and he said, don't worry about it, it's under warranty. I'll say some freak shit happened. Whew, that black smoke tastes good.